Are you kidding me? Joey. 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 Joey.
Joey. Joey. Joey. Joey.
Did I wake you? All right, buddy. Time to roll over. No! You are going to a clinic. You're going to a clinic and a pajama store.
Your name, please.
Joey Tribbiani.
Mm-hmm. And did you stay up all night in preparation for your sleep study? Sir?
Yes, he did.
All right. We'll call you in a few minutes.
Oh, hey. Check out that girl. She is really hot.
Yeah, she is. Wow. How you doing? What?
You're coming on to the entire room. I'm Chandler.
Marjorie.
Do you mind if I sit?
No, please.
So, what are you in for?
I talk in my sleep.
What a coincidence. I listen in my sleep.
So why don't you give me your number?
Hello, little ones.
Hey. Hey.
So is Joey gonna stop snoring?
Yup, and a beautiful woman agreed to go out with me. Joey wanted to ask her out, but, she picked me.
Oh, how'd that happen?
Because I'm cooler.
No, seriously.
Well, she's the kind of girl... Joey was unconscious.
Hey, you guys, what's happening?
Oh my God.
What is that?
Oh, they gave it to me at the sleep clinic, and it's gonna help me not to snore.
Well, are you asleep right now, Joe? Because I don't think you have to wear it unless you are.
I know I don't have to. Tastes good.
Plus, you look cool.
Oh, it's here. Fair enough. 15-minute warning. Late.
Dude, I am trying to sleep.